और बलूचिस्तान जो है, जो कि पाकिस्तान की डेस्टिनी है, ठीक है, जो कि पाकिस्तान के माथे का झूमर है, तुम 1500 बंदे कहोगे कि जी हम इसको ले जाएंगे, तुम्हारी अगली 10 नस्लें भी नहीं लेके जा सकती। Inshallah, you will see that we will beat the hell of these terrorists very soon. Balochistan, you think this 1500 people belonging to BLA and BLF and BRA, etc., can take away Balochistan from us? We have those brave fathers that who proudly shoulder the funeral of their sons and take them to the graves. Pakistan will not fall. And for as long as we have those brave mothers that who proudly sacrifice their sons for the sake of the country, Pakistan will not fall.